Tanny Cooks here with a Food Lion grocery haul. So I bought mostly meats and veggies for a healthy haul. So starting off with, I bought these yams or sweet potatoes. It's about 4.5 pounds and they were 99 cents a pound. So lots of things I can do with that. I also needed a head of garlic and this was 89 cents and beautiful. And then I got my 2 bunches of green onions and 1 Vidalia onion. Vidalia onion is super sweet and delicious. I have a bag of Granny Smith green apples. The skin is very healthy for digestion. It has pectin. I got some small red beans to make red beans and rice, and also some canned kidney beans. These are perfect for pasta salads and side dishes. Only 110 calories per half cup serving. I also like Great Northern beans, and these had the pop top that I like, a 15-ounce can, and it has 100 calories per half cup serving. Those were 62 cents each. I got some yellow mustard, and then this was the sweet treat that I bought, some flavored crackers. So this is the chicken and the biscuit flavor, and these are vegetable thins. So they have 140 calories per serving, and the chicken and the biscuit has 160 calories. So not exactly health food with all the ingredients listed, but it is definitely better than some of the other options I could have chosen for desserts. So I'll snack on these. They were $2.99 each on sale. I guess the regular price was about $3.99 for each. And this is the reason I actually went to the store, to get this organic 100% juice, not from concentrate. So hopefully it's more healthy and I can get more of the antioxidants from it, so I don't have to eat all that fruit in one day. The first one is 100% pomegranate juice, 150 calories per 8-ounce serving, and there are 4 servings per bottle. Each one of these bottles cost me $6. This is the Super Fruit 7. It has pomegranate, grape, strawberry, tart cherry, fig, mulberry, and cranberry juice. And the antioxidant force juice has pomegranate, tart cherry, red grape, purple carrot, cranberry, and blueberry. So all these yummy superfoods that I want to get benefits from. I'll let you know if that works. And so I'm showing you the Great Northern beans again because the cans have 3.5 servings per can and 100 calories per serving. So this is great to store for your prep cabinets as well in case of emergency. I did get meat. I got some chicken thighs and chicken legs. They were both $1.29 per pound. Each one is a little over 4 pounds, so I paid $4.33 for the legs and $4 for the thighs. Thank you for watching this haul. Please subscribe to my channel.